How to fix if you cannot receive calls on your Honor 200. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold this power button and then tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting your phone it will fix the calls not receiving issue. But after restarting, if you are still facing the issue, then open settings, scroll down and tap on sounds and vibration, and here tap on do not disturb. Now here you will see a do not disturb button. So if this button is turned on, then you will not be able to receive calls or notifications. So make sure to turn it off, and after turning off do not disturb, you will start receiving calls. But after doing this, if you are still facing the same issue, then open settings again, scroll down to the end and click on system and updates, and then tap on reset. Now tap on reset network settings and then tap on reset network settings option again to confirm. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset all your network settings in your phone, but it will not delete any data from your phone. Now after resetting your network settings, the calls receiving issue will be 100% fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then maybe it's a SIM card or SIM tray issue. So take out the SIM tray and clean your SIM card with a clean cloth, and after cleaning the SIM card, put it back in your phone. And after doing this, the calls not receiving issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the Honor 200 that cannot receive calls. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.